Hey folks, today I'm walking you through how to execute a flash loan arbitrage trade using Furucombo. Imagine we're chatting over coffee and I'm pointing at my screen saying, here's the trick. First up, you need a Web3 wallet. Grab MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Download it, set it up, and make sure it's got some ETH for gas. Think $20, $50 to start, since gas fees on Ethereum can sting. Next, connect to the right network. Open your wallet and switch to Ethereum mainnet. Furucombo usually runs here, but check if Polygon's an option for cheaper fees. Fund it by sending ETH to your wallet address via an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Gas is your only upfront cost. Flash loans don't need collateral. Head to furucombo.app. You'll see a clean dashboard, kinda like a DeFi playground. Click Connect Wallet in the top right, pick MetaMask, or your choice, approve the pop-up, and you're in. It'll show your ETH balance. Don't sweat it if it's low. We're borrowing the big bucks. Now find price gaps. Furucombo won't spoon-feed you deals, so use DEX Screener or CoinGecko. Compare prices across DEX like Uniswap, SushiSwap, or KyberSwap. For example, if one ETH equals 2,500 DI on Uniswap but 2,550 DI on KyberSwap, that's a 50 DI gap per ETH, your profit target. Check the math. For a 1,000 DAI flash loan, you repay 1,000.9 DAI, 0.09% fee. Your trades need to net more than that, plus gas, say $30. If gas eats your profit, scale up the loan size or find a bigger gap. On Furucombo, hit the plus button to add a cube. It's like stacking Lego blocks. Add the flash loan, pick flash loan from the Aave section. Choose your asset, for example DAI, and type in the amount, for example 1,000 DAI. Two cubes pop up, borrow 1,000 DAI, drag this to the top, and repay 1,000.9 DAI, leave it at the bottom. Set up the trades, add a cube, click plus, pick swap, for example Uniswap. Set it to swap 1,000 DAI for ETH, at 2,500 DAI ETH, you'd get 0.4 ETH. Add another cube, pick swap, for example KyberSwap. Swap 0.4 ETH for DAI, at 2,550 DAI ETH, you'd get 1,020 DAI. Check the flow, borrow 1,000 DAI, swap to 0.4 ETH Uniswap, swap to 1,020 DAI KyberSwap, repay 1,000.9 DAI, leftover DAI, 19.1, is yours minus gas. Simulate it by hitting the Simulate button. Furucombo runs a dry test, shows your profit and gas cost. If it's green, profit fees, you're golden. If not, tweak the loan size or pair. Approve the contracts. Click Approve to let Furucombo use your wallet. You'll sign a free transaction in MetaMask. Takes 2 seconds. Execute by hitting send. MetaMask pops up again. Confirm the gas fee. For example, 0.01 ETH. Watch it process on Etherscan. If it works, profit lands in your wallet. If it flops, price is moved, it reverts, and you just lose gas. Gas too high? Check Gas No for low fee times, or try Polygon if Furucombo supports it. Prices shifted? Bots beat you. Hunt fresher gaps or up your speed. Stuck? Ping Furucombo's Discord or X community for help. They're chill and quick. Set up wallet with 0.02 ETH for gas. Opportunity 1,000 DAI, 0.4 ETH Uniswap, 1,020 DAI KyberSwap. Combo borrow 1,000 DAI, swap, repay 1,000.9 DAI. Result, 19.1 DAI profit, gas at 0.01 ETH, tilde $1.25. If ETH is $2,500 net loss unless you scale up, try 10,000 DAI next time. And that's it, it's like a high-stakes game. Nail the setup, time it right, and you're cashing out. Start small, test the waters, and scale when you're comfy. What's your next move, gonna give it a shot?